It's all love and only wings at SIMA 2022 10 years of SIMA. I have with me the sizzling Priya Warrior. Priya, are you a warrior? What is that one thing you always keep fighting
For my dreams.
for your dreams?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you feel depressed at times, considering the fact that you got so much, exposure very quickly?
I don't think there's anything to be depressed about. I think
Okay.
I'm very grateful that it happened to me.
Uh-huh.
It opened up a lot of doors.
Okay.
So I'm always very grateful for whatever is happening in life because I
Super.
think everything happens for a reason.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, Priya, one quick rapid fire with you. I'm going to ask 4-5 questions that come to my mind. Okay, your
Okay.
favorite fruit?
Favorite fruit?
Yeah.
Apple.
Okay, your favorite actor?
Oh, that's a tough one.
Yeah.
How do I like?
I mean, you've got to choose one. There's no time to think. Fast.
Oh, Dhanush sir.
Okay, your favorite Instagram filter?
Paris probably.
Okay, which celebrity do you stalk the most on social media?
Stalk the most. Tough, yeah. I stalk a lot of people.
Okay, what kind of content do you watch more on social media? Food, fashion, acting, style? What is your favorite?
Probably humor, comedy stuff.
Okay,
Yeah.
chocolates or cakes?
Cakes,
Beaches or mountains?
beaches.
Okay, your last question. What is your darkest secret that no one knows? Something which you've kept within yourself, but you always want to tell it outside.
It's the darkest secret because it's
But
the
then
darkest
there's a
secret.
time when you want to come out and I just want to tell this, compared to all the fame and all that I get, I just want to tell this one thing to the public out there, one thing that you want to tell.
I wouldn't say it's the darkest secret,
Okay.
but I think instant fame.
Right.
You have to be like very careful when you're
Okay.
dealing with it,
Right.
and I always keep in mind that these things should not get into your head,
Right.
and that's one thing I always like consciously try and do
Okay.
to keep myself grounded.
Okay.
So that's probably one thing I would like to tell everybody.
Okay, since you come from Kerala, the land of football, Ronaldo or Messi?
Yo, I don't watch football only. Please don't kill me for this.
Okay.
But my brother's a huge fan. My
Okay.
brother's a huge Messi fan.
Okay.
So
Okay,
that's
Messi.
probably a lot of what I see also.
Okay. The last question I have for you. There's a lot of messages that came to you when you become really popular. That one fan message that is still in your mind. Man, this is so nice, so cute.
I actually, rather than messages on Instagram or social media, I've actually received letters.
Okay, have you
Like
received any
handwritten
letters?
letters. No,
No, no, no.
no.
Okay.
I've just gotten like handwritten letters at home.
Okay.
So that's very sweet.
Super. Thank you so much, Priya. It was
Thank
great
you.
having you yesterday. It's great having you today. Great having you every time. Have a
Thank
blast
you.
at Summer 20.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have with us the gorgeous Atulya looking electrifying in this beautiful blue outfit. You're looking gorgeous. And first of all, congratulations. This is your first SIMA. I'm sure you're very excited about this. How have you been preparing? Did you have sleepless nights thinking about, oh yes, I'm attending SIMA and I'm representing SIMA this year?
Yeah, actually, I've been celebrating SIMA through TV from childhood. So, this is my first SIMA. So, obviously, this is very, very, very special for me. And 10 years of celebration. So, I'm performing for SIMA 2022 is like extra special.
So, how was the rehearsals like? Was it very difficult? Did you have sleepless nights preparing for it?
No, it was not at all difficult. It was very easy for me, and I'm performing for folk Tamil songs. So it's quite easy actually. Yeah, I'm very much excited as well.
Do you have any upcoming projects that you would like to discuss about?
I have one project, Diesel in Tamil, and also I'm doing my debut Telugu film with Maitri Movie Makers. So almost a shoot is going to over. We can expect this year end actually.
And last question is, two different industries, two different languages, two different cultures. It must be very, very scary for you, right? Initially to start with. How did you prepare yourself for that?
Doing debut movie in Telugu, it was my dream. So I was watching so many Telugu movies and I've learned Telugu. So director explained all the script in Telugu itself, so I can easily understand. So it was easy. So language barrier, it was easy for me. Yeah.
So going forward, we hope you do many more movies and get nominated and win a lot more awards in Saima, and we are going to be happy to celebrate you. Thank you so much, Atulya. Bye bye.